Hello and welcome to Maximity's next 2-Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya and in this week's video I'm going to show you how you can freeze columns and rows in Excel. Sometimes if you have a table in Excel, you may want to still be able to see the headers as you scroll down the page. Or you may want to always see the first column when you scroll left to right. To do this, you can simply go to the View ribbon and in the Windows section you'll see Freeze Panes. If you just want to freeze the top row or the first column, you'll find those options here. But what if you want to be able to see the first 3 rows and the first 2 columns? For that we'd need to make use of the top option, but as it's based on the current selection, we'll first need to make sure that we've selected the correct cell. You're going to need to select the row below the last row you want to freeze and the column to the right of the last column you want to freeze. So if we want to freeze the first 3 rows, we'd select cell A4. But if we also want to freeze the first 2 columns, we'd actually select C4. Then to freeze the panes, go back to the View ribbon and in the Windows section, select Freeze Panes and then Freeze Panes again. Everything above the top line of the selected cell will be frozen, and everything to the left of the selected cell is also frozen. Now we're able to navigate through our workbook without having to scroll back to the top or to the sides to make sure that we're in the right record. That's it for this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. Thank you for watching.